Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with Anfas Ahamed. Today we are going to unbox iPhone 11. It's a black color iPhone with 128 GB. It's the iPhone 11 new model. It's like the new iPhone 12 series. In the box it don't have the power adapter and the earpods. Those things are not included in the box. Let's go to unboxing. And guys, this is the iPhone 11 128 GB black color version. Now let's see what's in the box. In the front you can see the iPhone image with there is a small bump in the box, and near the camera also there is a small bump, and in this side they have the Apple logo, and the other side phone, Apple logo and iPhone. Here it says iPhone 11 and USB-C to lightning cable, and they also says the power adapter and the headphones are sold separately. And here you have the iPhone 11 black 128. And guys, now we will unbox this by peeling the here the stickers, and this is a plastic, and now we will open the box. Now this is the iPhone. Let's keep the phone aside, and we have the guides, some guides, and a single silver sticker, and they have given the USB-C to lightning cable. Now there are so many fingerprints because this is a glossy finish and here matte finish. There are two cameras. This is the wide camera with f1.2, and this is the ultra wide camera, and this is the flash, and this is the microphone. In this side we have the power button or lock button and the SIM tray. Up they haven't nothing. And this side we have two antenna bars, and here mute or silent button and two volume buttons, and down lightning adapter and microphone, and here we have the speakers. Now we will peel the sticker. It's feel very nice, and now we will on the iPhone for the first time. Now the iPhone is getting started. Hello. If we swipe up, we will click English and our country, setting language. We will set up manual, and preference language, continue, and we will connect to the Wi-Fi. Now I have set up the Wi-Fi. Now it may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Now we will set up the Face ID. Let's get started. Continue. The Face ID is set up now. Now we'll create a password. For temporary password, use anyway. It's loading. It's asking for data and privacy, and let's see, continue. They are asking for, do you want to transfer apps and data to this iPhone? For now we don't want to transfer, and we will click don't have an Apple ID and set up later in settings and don't use. Now it's loading. Click on agree and continue. Keep your up to date. Okay, continue. Screen time, continue. Analyzes analytics, share with app developers, and true tone display. Let's see without true tone display. Can you see the difference? I think it's a small difference. We can't see that. I like the true tone displays. It's very useful to use. And appearance, I like the light mode in the morning hours and the dark mode in the night hours. I want to schedule it later. I'll use the standard mode for now, and welcome to iPhone. Swipe up. Now the iPhone is ready to use. These are the refresh widgets, and here the apps libraries. I think this is the iOS 12 version. Let's check it out. Yeah, 12.0.1, 128 GB, and other details. Let's continue. Now we will change the name. Anfas iPhone 11. Now click on done. Phone is done. Finish setting up. We will use it later. This is the iPhone 11. There are default apps like camera, photos, calendar, FaceTime, mail, clock, apps, maps, weather, reminders, notes, stocks, box, app store to download and install the apps, podcast, TV, health, home, wallet, settings, and here calls, Safari for web browser, message, and iTunes for music, files, find my, shortcuts, iTunes stores, translate, contacts, watch, and tips, and utilities such as voice memos, compass, measure, calculator. In another month, I will use this iPhone and I will get you a review video in a month. Thank you guys. Now we will put our casing. After cleaning this, I will put my case in this one. For now I will clean this later. For now I will put and show how the look likes. This is very smooth, and this has a special bumper here to protect the lenses of this camera to not bump the iPhone, and in the front also they have a bumper. Whether if we put upside down phone, the screen will be protected. If you want to go to recent apps, you can slide like this and you can swipe up to delete those, and let's check cameras. Continue. Let's go to camera app now, and we will check how the wide angle and ultra wide angle works. This is the normal wide angle lens, and we will check the ultra wide. This is the wide angle, and this is the ultra wide. You can see what a difference. You can shoot very nice landscape from the wide angle lens. Let's take a photo and see how the difference. This is the wide angle, and this is the ultra wide angle. This is the ultra wide and wide angle. We can see the video. This is the HD, 4K 30, 4K 60, 4K 24 HD, and this is the flash and photo mode and portrait mode. Thank you guys. This is the iPhone. In another month I will bring the review video, and thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and share my videos. Thank you. We'll see next week. Okay, thank you. Bye.